In the heart of Louisiana's French Quarter lived a tiny firefly named Jean-Luc, whose light shone brighter than any other. He loved his home, a magical place filled with the joyful sounds of jazz music. Every night, jazz music filled the air, but one evening, something strange happened. A thick fog began to creep through the streets. The music began to fade, and Jean-Luc noticed that the heart and soul of the music, Mama Melodie, had lost her voice. "I must help," Jean-Luc bravely declared, learning that he needed to find 3 magical notes to restore the music. The first note was the warm sizzle of a fresh beignet. Jean-Luc flew to Café du Monde, where the air was sweet and warm. He caught the sizzling sound as the beignets turned golden, a crisp, happy melody that warmed his heart. Next, he needed to find the lonely trumpet call from a riverboat at midnight. Jean-Luc flew down to the Mississippi River just as the moon rose high. There, the Creole Queen floated gracefully. A soft trumpet sound echoed across the water. Jean-Luc captured the note with his glowing light, holding the sound gently within him. The final note was hardest to find, the clackety tap of a dancer's shoes in a hidden courtyard. Guided by faint echoes, Jean-Luc found a secret courtyard. A dancer practiced her rhythm, her tapping shoes creating a lively beat. Jean-Luc's wings flickered faster with excitement, capturing the final magical note. Together, these 3 notes formed a melody so powerful it sparkled brighter than the firefly's light. Jean-Luc carried the music back to Mama Melodie, his heart filled with hope. As the notes filled the air, Mama Melodie's voice returned, stronger and more beautiful than ever. The magical fog lifted, and the music of jazz filled every street and balcony once again. Jean-Luc had saved the sound of New Orleans, and the city was alive with music and magic once more. Every night, you might hear Mama Melodie's laughter and see Jean-Luc's light dancing in the air. Listen closely by the Mississippi River, and you will hear the sounds of jazz. Wander under the iron-lace balconies, and you will feel the magic. The music is always there, waiting to be heard. But the sounds of jazz fill your heart with joy. The end.